All right, what's up? So today I'm working on getting the engine installed. Right now I have it set in place. I'm about to move the lift and then start tightening everything up. By the end of this video, we will be test firing this engine. So I'm gonna make a little bit more progress and I'll bring y'all back. The engine is in now. I'm in the process of putting the turbos on and then I can hook up the radiator. Once we do that, then we'll be ready to test fire the engine. So I'm going to finish putting the turbos on and then I'll bring y'all back when we start the engine for the first time. Okay, so it's the next day, but that was the first startup on the new engine after the rebuild. I am happy with the way everything went. We had good oil pressure, didn't have any crazy sounds, and nothing's leaking. So the truck is back together and we're ready to go to the track. So probably the only thing that I'll add before we go to the track is a rear shock sensor. I picked up one from Low Dollar Motorsports. So I'll probably put that on. If not, it's not a big deal. I also picked up a new helmet. There's a look at the interior if you hadn't seen it. I'm also working on my buddy's car. I'm putting the turbo kit on. So if you want to check out his YouTube, it's down in the description. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video. I'm about to start working on this car and start filming me put a turbo kit on it. So check that out. But yeah, if you made it this far, I appreciate it. If you would, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all next time.